A Japanese information and communications technology company has fully started operating their so-called smart factory. It takes advantage of the latest digital technology along with consuming zero electricity. Oki Electric Industry displayed the facility north of Tokyo to the media on Wednesday. It has a floor space of over 18,000 square meters. That makes it Japan's first large-size plant certified as a net zero energy building. Solar panels on the roof help keep the factory running. Energy-saving features make sure the power isn't wasted. It includes a system that automatically adjusts lighting and air conditioning based on operations. There are also advanced technologies to efficiently run the factory. Projection mapping shows workers how to assemble parts. An AI imaging system analyzes if they are following the best procedures. The facility produces telephones and wireless communications equipment, among other products.